Hello, how are you today, everyone? It is such a beautiful day. I'm going to give you the answer for this interesting question about history of apples. It's about a co-founder of Apple. And here's a question: Apple's co-founder Steve Jobs was known for wearing what color turtleneck? Now I'll give you the correct answer for the question, and right after that, I'll give you a bit more explanation. And here's the correct one. The correct answer for the question is black, and here is a bit more explanation about the answer. While Steve Jobs earned global acclaim for spearheading Apple and inventing the iPhone, his late career legacy became equally defined by his decision to wear an identical outfit almost every single day. His signature daily wardrobe consists of classic blue Levi 501 jeans, understated gray balanced running shoes, and a sleek black mock turtleneck. These specialized shirts were custom produced by the legendary Japanese fashion designer Issey Miyake, who ultimately retired this specific garment from his retail lineup of respect following Jobs' passing in 2011. So that is the answer for the question. Black. Black turtleneck.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.